cannot guess where I am right now. Well, if you're familiar with the environment, well, maybe you would know. But this height is one of my biggest inspirations. I love heights. I like to climb higher because it gives me the opportunity to see the things that are around me from a perspective where people are not seeing them. I can see the water, I can see the road, I can see the cows, and I can see them from my own point of view. Someone who is not standing where I am right now would argue with me that the cars are not small, that the water is not near, that the roads are not this beautiful, because you can see what I'm saying. You see, you do not need to convince anybody of what's going on with you and what you're doing, because nobody can see from your perspective the way you see life from your perspective. So if you are saying that you're going somewhere high, like where I am right now, you have to keep at it. Everybody's not going to be able to stand this height like you, because some people are afraid of heights. So when you are climbing higher and your friends are not moving on with you, it's not the best time to begin to feel sad or to begin to feel, well, nobody likes me. Many people don't like heights because they are afraid of heights. But you see, a place like this is meant for people who can really take the guts to go up there and look down without getting scared that they are going to fall from such heights. So when you're climbing the ladder of success, you're climbing in your career, you're climbing in your finances, you're climbing in every other place, and people are beginning to get jealous of you and begin to talk about you, it's not a time to look down and wish that you are down with that. The eagle will never flock with the chickens. So know where you belong. If you're an eagle, you know that's how we flock. Bye.